Space is vast, unimaginably vast. Galaxies, islands of billions of stars drift through this cosmic expanse. They are not static, they move, pulled by gravity's invisible hand. Sometimes their paths intersect in a celestial dance of breathtaking proportions. A galaxy merger. Imagine two majestic spiral galaxies, each with swirling arms of stars, gas, and dust on a collision course. It's a slow-motion collision unfolding over millions of years. But the outcome is anything but subtle. The sheer scale of these events is staggering. Entire galaxies composed of billions upon billions of stars locked in a gravitational embrace. Their shapes distort and warp, their gas clouds collide, triggering bursts of new star formation, painting the cosmos with fiery hues. How do galaxies, separated by vast distances, even collide? The answer lies in gravity, the architect of the cosmos. Gravity is a force of attraction. It pulls all objects with mass towards each other. Galaxies, with their massive collection of stars, gas, and dark matter, exert a strong gravitational pull. When galaxies get close, their gravitational forces begin to interact. This interaction disrupts their orderly structures, creating tidal tails of stars and gas. The galaxies spiral closer and closer, their shapes becoming increasingly distorted. Gas clouds, compressed by the immense gravitational forces, ignite in a frenzy of starbirth. The cores of the galaxies, harboring supermassive black holes, draw closer, their eventual merger inevitable. Galaxy mergers are not just visually stunning events, they are crucial for cosmic evolution. These collisions play a vital role in the growth and evolution of galaxies over billions of years. When galaxies merge, their gas clouds collide, triggering intense bursts of star formation. These starburst events can produce thousands of stars over a relatively short period. This influx of new stars can significantly increase a galaxy's mass and luminosity. Moreover, mergers can fuel the supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of galaxies. As gas and stars fall into the black hole, it releases tremendous energy, creating powerful jets and winds that can influence the evolution of the entire galaxy. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is not immune to this cosmic ballet. In fact, we are on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. This might sound alarming, but fear not. The collision is not expected for another 4 billion years. It will be a slow and drawn-out affair lasting for another few billion years before the two galaxies fully merge. What will be the fate of our solar system? While the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide, individual stars within the galaxies are unlikely to collide directly. The vast distances between stars mean that our solar system is likely to survive the merger relatively unscathed. We might even be treated to a spectacular light show as the two galaxies dance around each other, their shapes distorted in a cosmic tango. The universe is a place of constant change, of creation and destruction. Galaxy mergers are a testament to this dynamism. They remind us that the cosmos is not static, but rather a place of awe-inspiring events unfolding over eons. These collisions, while seemingly destructive, are actually essential for the growth and evolution of galaxies. They are the cosmic engines that drive star formation, shape galactic structures, and power the most energetic phenomena in the universe. The study of galaxy mergers allows us to peer back in time to understand the processes that shape the universe we see today. By studying these cosmic collisions, we gain insights into the fundamental laws of physics and the evolution of galaxies over billions of years. The upcoming merger with Andromeda is a stark reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. This event, billions of years in the making, will forever alter the cosmic landscape of our local group of galaxies. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational forces will begin to distort their shapes, drawing out long tails of stars and gas. Gas clouds will collide, igniting furious bursts of star formation, illuminating the cosmos with a dazzling display of celestial fireworks. Eventually, the two galaxies will coalesce, their supermassive black holes spiraling towards each other in a gravitational dance. Their merger will release unimaginable amounts of energy, potentially visible across the universe. This event will mark the birth of a new galaxy, a cosmic hybrid of the Milky Way and Andromeda.